Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Geraldine here. I'm here showing you this new set that I just did. And this is going to be, I guess, I'm not going to say Halloween serious, but you know, we're in the vibe. It's October. And these are the nails that I'm going to show you how I did them. These are my witchy witch bath nails. I was inspired by all the milk bath designs. I kind of did a practice, I did like a practice press on, and I just really love the vibe. So I wanted to do like extra long witch, I call it the witch's brew nails, or black milk bath nails. So if you guys want to see how I did this, stay tuned. Keep on watching. I'm gonna let you guys vibe to some music. I'm not gonna talk too much in this one, and just watch me work and see how I did these beautiful nails. Make sure also to click that notification bell just to let you know different videos that I put out. I'm trying my best to put out at least 2 a week. Lately I've worked like 2 jobs, so I've just been doing like 1 a week, but you know, just keep up with your girl. Leave in the comments below like any inspiration, nails, or anything that you want me to do next. And keep on watching, stay tuned, and have fun. I did. Enjoy! So for these nails, I actually use, as you can see here, I use a combination of gels. I'm using poly gel just to kind of overlay the flowers and the Fimo fruits, and also I used a glitter poly gel for like the glitter, and I used, you know, just a bunch of stuff. So just to kind of pop in and just tell you guys that. I'm gonna put all the details and links below of what I used. I don't have really affiliate links yet, so I'm just going to name them on and where I got them from. And I didn't really see anybody doing these nails so far, so hopefully this will be good. I really like this. I really like this look. I wanted to do black, but the black gel wasn't working out. So if you guys know any black gels that are really good, I am interested in buying a new gel, and leave that in the comments below as well. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys vibe out. Thank you. So most of the nails, I filed them off of camera and I just, you know, put a top coat on, and this should be like the finished product for all of these. I had so much fun with these nails. They were really pretty. I was just like, I want to do them on my fingers, so I was so excited. But I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you once again put that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. And just follow me on all of my social media, guys. It's going to be JSLAYZBEAUTY across the board. Thank you so much. Bye.